My name is Melissa Kinnock. I'm the CFO for Kitten Ace. I'm responsible for finance, HR, and IT, along with the revenue generating channels. Prior to going over to comprehensive services, we were a head office of hundreds of employees. We had internal subject matter experts. We had very built out departments in payroll and HR. And we did a major restructure and reorganization back in 2017. And we were up against some pretty costly errors after government CRA reviews. We acknowledge that we do not have the internal knowledge. Now with comprehensive services, it has been amazing to know that we can execute payroll accurately, on time, and also know that we're doing it, we're compliant with everything that needs to be done from a regulatory and government standpoint. You know, our ADP partners are really like an extension to our Kitten Ace family. It's been really great to have experts on side that we know that we can trust, lean on, and get support whenever we need it. The biggest return has been time. It's been time from my part and time from my HR team members' part. So the system makes it really easy for us to do the review and approval. It makes it really easy for my HR business partner to input people's information. I am able to just quickly review, and then I can focus on other areas of the business. I think another return for us is, you know, the fact that we are knowing that we are applying external best practices, and that is something that is led by the ADP teams that have really helped us from a business planning and cash flow planning standpoint. I love my job. I love the people that I work with. I really believe in our vision to amplify optimism. I have 2 daughters, so I'm working for them. I'm showing them what it's like to be a woman leader in finance, and hopefully inspiring the next generation to become whatever they want to be.